Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify UTM tracking. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to head over to our top search bar. There, search for UTM tracking, search that in your app store. So a lot of apps are going to be providing you this kind of feature, and you have UTM tracking, Origin UTM tracking, Sense UTM analytics, and you can go for anything that have a solid rating, like for example this one, and it is going to be providing you all of the tracking. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If not, you can feel free to comment down. I will be personally getting back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix and resolve your issue. So that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.